If you would like to or have scheduled an online counseling appointment, it's very easy to access. This is a step-by-step guide on how to access your online counseling appointment once one is made. The first step is that you would go to the avc.edu homepage. Once you've gone to the homepage, you're going to go to the A to Z index. The top right-hand corner, once that is clicked, you're just going to scroll down to counseling. And from counseling, what you're going to do is you're going to find a link to online counseling right in the middle of the page. You're going to click on that. From there, what you're going to do is come down here and you're going to find a list of steps to make sure that the device that you have is able to receive online counseling services. And what you'll do is you'll just click this meeting check link here and it'll take you through the steps. Once that's done, you're going to be at this page and you will find the counselor for which you have the appointment set with. In this case, Rod Schilling. You'll see here it says online as opposed to offline, and you're just going to knock on his door at the assigned time for your appointment. Once you click on that, you're going to give an agreement that you'll need to click. And from there, you're going to click here and log into your account just as you normally would. Once that takes place, a chat box is going to appear and the counselor will say something to you and you can say something to him, and from that point the appointment could take place through this medium or will be brought into a full video conferencing appointment where you'll be able to see the counselor, you'll be able to see you, you'll be able to see your educational plan that's being made as it is happening. Okay, it's that easy. Please take advantage of the service if you haven't already.